Having the right amount of temperature, humidity and other factors in the workplace or in a work from home setup is paramount for each and every employee of yours, and that's why we highly recommend that you add this amazing air humidifier by XECH that goes by the name of Locomyst and takes care of the humidity around it. Well, when you turn it on, it brings a kind of realistic train sound. Let me show you how. And yes, it is movable as well, as you can see right here. So you can get your branding done on the humidifier, on the sides and on the top, or as a sleeve on the box. So don't forget and order this on offineeds.com now.